Cross your hands. What was that? What the hell was that? Oh! Holy fuck! Ow!
Did you hear that?
Holy fuck!
Did you hear that?
Yeah, I'm about to pass out.
Ow! Ow! I can't move!
It's not funny, Mom. He's hurt.
No, it's his face.
What? Squeeze you?
Yeah, and then like lift her up.
Lean back.
Lift her up.
Oh my god! I'll never.
Hey Cassie, do you think you could crack my back? My back's been bothering me.
Sure. Flatten out real quick.
Okay.
Oh my god!
Oh, my
my
bad.
god, are you
My
okay?
bad. My bad.
Oh my god!
Yeah, it's been a long time. It's gonna be a good one. Oh, my knee gave out. Alright. Just relax. One. I'm just gonna lean back. Stand up and lean back. 1, 2, 3.
Ow!
What was that noise?
Fuck. Ow. It's not funny. Did you hear that?
That was her back?
Hey, are
Piece
you
of
okay?
plastic.
Oh my god.
She's fine.
It's all bulging out.
Oh, shut up!
Kyle? Can you come crack my back really quick, please? Oh!
Oh my god.
Regan! Ow.
Are you okay?
Guys, I got some noodles in my hands and I'm about to prank Israel. Let's get it. Babe!
Yeah?
Can you hold my crack my back?
Yeah, I'm coming. Hold on.
Oh
my gosh! Baby!
Papa, can you come crack my back?
Okay. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh! What happened? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Huh? Your back okay?
What do you wait?
What happened?
Pop my back all day, wallah.
How?
Just pop it, I don't know.
Put your hands like this.
No, Nadine, it's gonna hurt.
Yeah.
Nadine.
Sure? Oh shit! Oh my god!
Sure.
وقع طقي كل ظهرها.
You guys, I'm gonna do the crack my back challenge on my dad. Let's see what happens. Dad, can you crack my back, please?
What?
Can you crack my back, please?
What?
Can you crack my back?
Crack your back.
Yes, Dad, come on. My back
No.
hurts. I've been working out. Come on.
No.
Dad, come on.
You're too gassy.
Dad.
You're serious?
Yes. Jesus.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
This?
Yeah.
What one? No, that one.
Okay.
But doesn't it hurt?
No.
Okay.
Oh. Ow, Dad.
What the hell?
Dad.
What?
Crack my back.
Medium change like this.
How do I do it?
Oh, what was that? Your back or your neck? You good? Are you laughing, dude?